Good morning, student. Welcome to Elga class. King and Queens of India. Student, first we will recap the syllables. Do you all remember how to break the word into syllables? Yes, first we want to find out the vowels and circle, and we want to find out how many consonants are there in between the vowels. Then in between the consonant we want to put a slash and we want to break the word into two parts. Very good. Today we will try to read a passage, a short passage. Shall we start? Good. Ria was planning to go on a picnic with her friends. Naman asked her, "What all will you pack?" "I think I will pack a blanket which is made up of good fabric, some snacks, some cold drinks, some games and napkins for everyone," she said. She said she will also pack a jacket because in the evening it gets cold there. Ria and her friends will enjoy a lot. Students, all of you note it in your notebook and read and practice. Shall we move to the whole words? Good. Today I am going to introduce 4 new whole words. While we are reading the whole words, we will not use the letter sound. We want to see and read it. Improve, annual, native, during. Note it in your notebook and learn the words with their spelling. Improve. He can improve his behavior. Second one, annual. When is the annual function this year? Then native. Where is your native place? During. I was not in town during that time. Student, yesterday did you all try to make a sentence using the whole words? Good. Keep it up. Next we will move to reading and listening comprehension. In the previous class, about which king did you learn? Very good. Shivaji. The lesson, Shivaji the Fearless. All of you open SR6 and today you want to read independently. Take 10 minutes. Good children. Okay. What are captions? Yes, there are the sentences that are written under a picture are called captions. Why are they important? They give us information about what is happening in the picture. So it is important. What do we call the things that happens in the story? Very good. We call them events of a story. How do we sequence events of the story? We sequence them as beginning, middle and end. In the writing and speaking expression section, we done this one. First, while you are starting to write, we will use the word once. The next para you will use the word then. Then last at the end. Do you all remember that one? Very good. Like that same. Also here also you want to write it. Beginning, middle and end. First what happened? Next the middle, the problem. In the end you are going to write the solution. All clear, children? Yes. Again I will say what are all the points will come in the beginning, middle and end. In the beginning, in the first paragraph you want to write it, tells about the king or a queen. Where were they born? And how was their childhood? This one you want to write it in the beginning column. In the middle, how did they become a king or a queen? How did they expand their army? What were the problems faced by them? This and all you want to write it in the middle, the second paragraph. In the last you want to write it, how did they become famous? How have they contributed to the Indian history? That one come in the end. Good children, if you want, you can note it in your notebook. Do you all finish it? Now open the SR book also. Shivaji the Fearless. What and all will come in the beginning column? Then what will come in the middle and end? Open your notebook. Draw 3 columns, write beginning, middle and end. Now start to write. Take 10 minutes. Then you can check it whether you have written correct or wrong. Good. In the beginning you want to write it the great king Shivaji, where he was born. Then about the education we want to write it there. Then how at the age of 15 he formed his own army, that one. Then how did they expand the army? That one we want to write it in the middle column. Then last in what happened? Yeah, to save himself and his people, Shivaji made his fort on the hills with his courage and wits. He kept them away from the Maratha kingdom. Like this way you want to write it. You are clear, children? How you want to write it the beginning, middle, end? Good. Shall we move to the next one? To the grammar part. To the grammar part, today we are going to recap only. Yeah. The previous class we saw how we want to convert adverb into adjectives. That the word end with ly, we want to remove ly, means it will convert it into adjectives. Loudly, loud. Politely, polite. Happily, happy. That's all. If you have downloaded the worksheet, open the worksheet and you can finish it in your notebook. Then next we will move to writing and speaking expression. All of you observe this picture. King Akbar at his court. Then fill story elements in your notebook. Open your notebook and draw the story elements. You all remember how do you want to draw the story elements? Yes. Setting, talking characters, over your problem, resolving your problem, your solution. For you all note it? Once again you can see the picture. You can see the picture. Okay. King Akbar at his court. The place is mentioned in the picture itself. Okay, now start to write. After finishing the story elements, you want to write it as a paragraph. The writing and speaking expression. Here you want to use cups and arms strategy, drafting, editing. Then last you want to publish it. What are words we want to use here? In the beginning you want to use once or first, middle, then or after, for end, finally or at last. This is story elements for only for hints. Okay, write the hints, then you can start to write the paragraph. Good children, you write it and keep the paragraph safely. We want to see in the next class. Note today's homework. Fill in the blanks by converting the adverbs into adjectives. Write the question and then write the answer. Answer you want to underline. She looked after her carefully. She is very dash. Put the dash. Leave one line and then write it. She was talking very loudly. It makes me think that she is a dash person. She looked at me angrily. I am scared of dash people. She sang joyfully. She is a dash person. The Britishers killed the people of Jhansi brutally. They were very dash rulers. She listened to me patiently. She is very dash with everyone. Do you all note it? Write neatly for each and every sentence. Leave one line and send it Elga 11 group. Thank you.